4:30 and I should probably head back home, but I'm afraid to be alone. What do I need to do to get some time with you? I'd rather be half involved and missing all of you. Drinking till the sun comes.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing 2 days of my life. I was gonna say days of my life, it's really just 2. I went to bed last night with the full intention of vlogging today and being so productive, and I woke up this morning, horrible mood. I just felt really bad, I felt really bloated. I've been feeling pretty unmotivated lately, and all of my friends that I've talked to have felt the same way, so I know I'm not alone, but it's definitely discouraging when you feel like you have a lot to do and you just have absolutely no will to do it. Once I finally got out of bed this morning, I was like, you know what, I should start the vlog today, even if it's late. Done is better than perfect. That's my 2021 mantra, and share with you guys some of the steps that I like to take to get out of a rut. But the whole purpose of this vlog, I guess now, is that and getting my life together. And also tomorrow, which is Thursday, I'm going back to Charlottesville, and I'm so excited to see all my friends, move back into the house with all the girls in Kyo. I haven't seen any of them in so long, and I'm excited to have my room back. I'm definitely looking forward to tomorrow. There's many things that I have to do today before I move back. I have a lot of like little things I need to do for getting ready for tomorrow. I'm already feeling so much better. I got my coffee, I changed. Putting on activewear for me just always makes me feel productive, and I did my makeup, and I just feel like a human again. Vlogs are some of my favorite videos to film. I always like to keep it real with you guys, so if you're going through it too, please let me know and we can support each other down below. I'm doing a bunch of cleaning, packing, organizing. I also need to work on my internship search, which is still not over. One thing I will say that has been kind of getting me through my days is scheduling something at night that I'm looking forward to. 2 of my like favorite things in the world are going on drives. I love going on solo drives, just like vibing, also with my friends, very fun, but I love going on drives by myself. Another thing I like to do for self-care is puzzle. If you guys know, if you've been loyal viewers of the vlogs this quarantine and this past year, you know I'm a big puzzler now, and I can't get enough. Currently I have a load of laundry in the washer, and I'm debating whether or not I'm going to clean up my room first. Probably do that first. Then I'll switch out the laundry. Then I need to clean the kitchen because she's a mess and it's my turn. I also have to clean out my car just because my brother's been using it. Ew. And also it has been vacuumed in so long, and just like I want to make sure it's nice and clean and dusted and fresh. I'm also gonna put in, I just got this new phone holder for my phone. 2 reasons. One, my other one broke, which was so annoying. It was very convenient to just have it there to be able to see, honestly, for like navigation and stuff. But also 2, in Virginia, whenever I navigate, which like this definitely isn't the safest, where I had the phone holder, I would just hold my phone and like look at the navigation, but now in Virginia you can get pulled over for just that, whereas before it was like a secondary offense, I think. But now you can get pulled over for even holding your phone, no matter what you're doing, like calling, texting, whatever, so it has to be hands-free. So we're definitely putting the phone holder in. We're not getting fined out here. We're not getting pulled over by the police. Already been there, done that. So
my whole world is upside down.
room is looking about the same, but I got a lot of stuff done. I just switched out my loads in the laundry. I also transferred everything that I'm selling into this bin, so that this stuff over here, I'm just keeping it out because I'm gonna use it to pack my stuff tonight. I think I'm at a stopping point right now with my room, and I just switched out the laundry, so now I'm gonna go downstairs and clean up the kitchen because I just took out the trash and like dropped some other stuff downstairs. My mom would actually kill me if she knew that I showed you guys this, but it's fine. We love a good before and after. I'm talking quietly because my dad's gonna work call. I'm gonna put on either a YouTube video or a podcast. Listen to that while I do all this because I need some entertainment.
Till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb.
Flipped a little chillier out here than I thought it would be. I am in my driveway. I'm about to clean out my car, which I haven't done in a while. Let me show you guys what I'm doing, and it's not anything revolutionary. This is the pile of all the crap I'm putting in my car. This is going in. This is just like cleaning supplies. I have microfiber cloth, glass cleaner, and just like multi-purpose cleaner with paper towels. And then this stuff is going in, and I just have like little trash bits. And my brother plays hockey and he's been driving this car, so this is going on. So I need to fix this. Honestly, really cold. It's like not cold, but it's windy, so now I'm cold, you know what I mean? I'm just going to organize everything in here. It really shouldn't take more than like 5 minutes.
Baby, it's 2:30.
Car's clean, by the way. I think it looks really good. This up here looks really, really good. I just have some tampons and pads, scissors. I feel like scissors would probably be great in an emergency. Also, they're low-key a weapon. I also have lotion in there and my manual for the car, and then obviously license or registration and stuff in there. I actually had a bunch of other manuals back there. I'm just gonna put this thing on here quickly, and then I think I'm gonna go on a quick drive just to vibe out, and I'll catch up with you guys after. Good morning, everyone. Hello, welcome to Thursday, when I'm moving back into sorority house and getting my life in order, and I'm so excited to see my friends. It's a good day. I'll admit it. I got a little caught up last night in my puzzle, also in the crown and also in the blacklist, so I didn't go to bed till like very late, even for me. You know, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I went to bed at 3. It's okay. However, even when I went to bed, I still had a hard time going to sleep, even though I was very tired. So I don't know, I've been having a lot of issues like falling asleep lately, so maybe I should get that checked out. Maybe I should stop having so much coffee. Maybe I should exercise more. I don't know. Now it's 10:58 and I'm packing now. I didn't pack last night. I should have, but wasn't really in the mood. Also, I always say this, I feel like, but I definitely work better under pressure, and I have a meeting today at 4 for YAYYAY, so I have to leave for Charlottesville at 2. That's my like cutoff. That gives me 3 hours to pack, and I probably only need 1. The thing that's gonna take the longest is like figuring out where to put everything. The biggest issue, I guess, is that I have all of my clean laundry here, so I need to like fold it, figure out what's coming, and then pack it, which is a little annoying. Easily could have done that last night, but I didn't. So the theme for packing today is essentials only, which if you guys know me, you're probably laughing because I'm CEO of overpacking. And while that may be true, I'm trying to be better, and I've definitely realized when I've been home like what I actually wear and what I don't. I actually went back to Charlottesville like a week ago and cleaned up my closet there and like got rid of anything that I don't use, and even like sometimes like I just got rid of a bunch of stuff, either got rid of or just brought it back here. But yeah, I'm just gonna be strategic, especially about like hanging clothes and stuff. Like, okay, I just pulled out everything I need for my bathroom. Got overwhelmed because, as I said before, I'm a touch overpacker. Slash, I just like need a lot of things, especially like long term. Short term I can do with less, but also it's still a lot. I'm now going to fold my laundry instead because I know how to do that, and I pretty much know what clothes I need to bring and like what I want to bring. These are all my clothes from the wash, which are pretty much all the clothes, almost all the clothes that I'm bringing. I had almost no clothes left when I did laundry. I always pack my clothes in my duffel bags, and then in the IKEA bags I pack like random crap, my bathroom stuff, any like tech stuff that's not breakable, my tripod and stuff. I might only be bringing 4 pairs of shoes back to school because I brought some the other day, whatever I went, and I didn't bring too many home, so that's good. At least I'm not bringing home all my shoes. Hanging clothes that I'm bringing are these and these. I need to like double check through these dresses though that I don't need any for rush. That's the issue. We're rushing soon, so I need to like, I don't even have my outfits planned for that. That's coming up. I'm gonna get to folding and then catch up with you guys after.
Baby, it's 4:30 and my whole world is upside down. I can't help but wish that you were here with me right now. These nights are rolling over me. That's not how it's supposed to be. Yeah, I can't stop thinking about you. Yeah, my body forgot how to move. Girl, you took the move.
Dare I say, guys, I'm a minimalist. Dare I say, guys, I'm a minimalist. Just kidding. But for me, you guys, you already know, like, this is so good. This is like everything, including all my freaking technology that I have to bring to school. And like, this is all just like my beauty products, LOL, hair tools, stuff like that. I also have in here all of my hanging clothes, which is far reduced, and I have some other stuff in there. So I also cleared out a lot of stuff whenever I went to Charlottesville, so I just feel like it's a new semester for me. If you guys have seen any of my past movement vlogs, you know I'm a chronic overpacker, but like truly unlike anyone I've ever met. I just bring so much stuff, especially to school. This amount of stuff for 2 months at home, pretty good for me. I brought home way more stuff, but I actually just like got rid of a lot of stuff. Whenever I went to Charlottesville, I cleaned out my side of the room and I just like got rid of anything that I don't use or need. I actually, funny story, this is what happens when I don't put things in my calendar, but I forgot to put something in my calendar yesterday, and I actually have a meeting at 3 and a meeting at 4, so it's currently 1:35, so I'm only 5 minutes late to the time that I said I'd be ready. So that's pretty good. So I have a meeting at 3 at the studio and a meeting at 4 with someone else for YAYYAY, and I like low-key have to plan for that, but I'm gonna do that as soon as I get to Cayo. But I'm gonna stop at Dunkin' so quickly, literally so quickly, to get a coffee before I go. Let's go to Charlottesville. Hello everyone, I made it to Charlottesville. I ended up in a catch-22 situation where I would have had like 13 minutes to move all my stuff into the house and come back to YAYYAY, so I was like, that's just gonna be too much stress, so I'm gonna leave it in the car here. I actually, since I have like 20 minutes before that meeting, I'm gonna go into the studio and, oh, I need to grab a mask. I'm gonna finish the interview questions that I wrote earlier just to make sure that they're all good and send them over to Lauren and make sure she thinks that they're good too. Yeah, then I'll get moved in. I also haven't eaten anything today. This is like, just like don't get hungry. And I'm now on my second coffee. I'll be honest, this coffee's horrible. I mean, it's not horrible, it's just like tastes like it has no flavor, and it was from like the bottom of the coffee pot, which is fine. It's just like Dunkin' is so variable. Coffee could be amazing or it could be horrible. This is kind of in between. I'm hoping my key will work. I'm hoping my key will work. It's such a good mood. This drive literally felt like it was 30 minutes instead of an hour. Like it went by so quickly. So good time, and I'll catch up with you guys after. Oh my gosh, no it doesn't. Great. Guys, it's like 5 p.m. and I'm just now leaving WUVA. Oh my gosh, what's going on? You guys are so sideways. What's going on, sis? Hello. I'm back in the car. So I finished up my interview. Went really well, and yeah, while we have minimal daylight left, it's 4:43, it's not 5. I'm gonna go to the house and bring in all my stuff finally. I'm hoping that since no one's there except for Shannon and Chloe, I can just park in house parking spots instead of having to find a spot on the street. That is always very ideal because it's literally right there. Then I need to figure out a snack/dinner situation. I am starving. Kind of a whirlwind of a day, super random, where I'm just like in Richmond half the day, now I'm in Charlottesville, haven't eaten, lots of coffee, like I'm just feeling wired right now, but Chloe! I brought in all my stuff probably like an hour ago. I've just been hanging out with Chloe, honestly, but I have to unpack everything now. It is 5:38 right now. I think I'm just gonna head over to Zoe's kitchen. I need to place an order actually to pick up. Just have that for dinner because that's like just so convenient, and I'm starving. I'm gonna do that first and then I'll get unpacking because I just have no motivation to do so when I'm hangry. I checked everyone's locations. Apparently Claire is coming tonight, which I didn't know, and Emma's already here. So I'm so excited. It's gonna be a whole party in the house. I completely forgot that I sent my PR package here instead of my house because I thought it was gonna take longer to get here, so I didn't get it till today because I just got here today. Liquid IV sent me a package and I am so excited to try out everything. I've heard great reviews and I'm so excited to share the results with you guys. They are not sponsoring this or anything. I do have a discount code if you guys want to use it, but just know I haven't tried anything yet, so I will let you guys know how I like it. My code is Megan with 2 N's, Kelleher, and that'll get you 25% off the entire site and free shipping, which is amazing. Apparently, it's just supposed to be really good for hydration. I imagine after a night out, that would probably be good too. Oh my gosh. Look at all these goodies. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Hold on. It seems that they sent me 2 of these hydration multipliers, one for sleep as well, and this one is energy. I definitely need that. I don't really know how any of these work, but I am so excited to try these. Thank you so much, Liquid IV, for thinking of me. I'm rambling, but I'm gonna go pick up my Zoe's and then we're gonna get to work. If you guys are still watching to this point, thank you, and subscribe if you're new. Okay, so I've recruited Shannon and Chloe. Chloe's ready for her debut. They're trying it, and it's a live taste test situation.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try with these crystals and my water bubbles to multiply our hydration. To multiply my hydration.
So we have both flavors being tested. This is a big moment in the Cayo Mega house.
All of it?
I think so, yeah.
That's what they're in the straps. Man. And it turns into this lovely cream color, this lovely cloud color.
Milky.
Okay. To hydrate. Get some little froth.
Be honest.
Yum.
No, I think it's good.
Okay. Well, I like the taste. I don't know. I don't love the way it hits my tongue.
Okay, well, I would disagree. I love the way it hits my tongue.
Or maybe a lower tongue. And if this triples my hydration,
It's so worth it.
it's so worth it. She's an athlete, so she needs
Yeah.
I
Athletic.
do an occasional hit workout, so I need this.
Till my legs go numb. Till I go numb. Dizzy till my legs go numb. Till I go numb. Dizzy till my legs go numb.
Okay guys, made lots of progress. I actually just have one more bag of clothes to put away, but I want to show you progress so far. All these empty bags, this is all my bathroom stuff. Kind of did a little bit of reorganization. I made it less cluttered up here. Now I'm not done. I have all my hair tools and like depillared random stuff. It's like hair stuff. This is like extra beauty products. I'm gonna put all my hair ties in here. Have my makeup here. I kept my books there last semester and now I'm just have them. These are the two that I'm reading right now. My journal's in front of that, so that's just sitting on my windowsill for easy access. In this drawer, it's about the same. It's pretty full, honestly, and I really need to go through my underwear and bras and stuff to just like see what I don't wear. Also, I think I forgot my drawer dividers at home because I brought back 2, but I guess I brought back more because all of these had dividers before, so I don't know. This, I can't even open it because I have stuff there. Literally, I have like 8 pairs of sweatpants, so that's concerning. This is what my desk looks like. Pretty clean. I'm actually getting another monitor tomorrow instead of the one I had before. It's just for better quality. So this will be a little bit more taken up. Just put my 2 planners back here. This is the one I've been waiting to use and I've been using it recently, and then I use this one as a mouse pad. I like how the desk itself is clear, but then I got stuff going on back there. I just have my extra books out here just so that I remember to read them. Honestly, this like isn't the cutest, but I feel like it's necessary. The inside of my drawers are a little bit different. I added this thing. This is from the Dollar Tree, I think, from forever ago. I just have my AirPod, all my headphone stuff here, a couple chargers, my hard drive, a couple SD cards, some converters, and then my closet is about the same, although I will say the one thing I changed is I put all my camera gear in my scout bin because I actually cleared that out whenever I came back last week. So now that's like easy access, but it's still hidden. Definitely have a lot going on in here, but mostly because all this stuff is like sweatshirts, it takes up more space. Looking, ooh, I am looking rough. It's looking pretty good in here. Getting late, I'm getting tired. I might stop for the night, honestly. I think I'm gonna end off the vlog here. It's probably also so long by this point. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like organizing, getting your life together videos, definitely subscribe down below. I have a couple of those coming out. And also check out my last video that I made about Notion. I am still so excited about that video, so if you haven't seen it, go check it out. And I'll see you guys next Sunday. Bye guys.